Hello everybody, this is Julius from Even Grounds, and this is a continuation of our discussion about images and text descriptions. In the previous video, we talked about the exact reasons why it is important to put text descriptions in your images. I also shared with you a resource where you can find the steps in providing text descriptions for your images, and in this video I'm going to provide a demonstration that will show exactly show the difference between an image that has text descriptions and an image that does not have text descriptions. Okay, so in this demonstration I'm going to use a specific software. It's called a screen reader. Basically, a screen reader is a software that lets the user hear everything, all the textual information that is displayed on the screen. Now, using the screen reader, I'm going to show you an example of an image that does not contain a text description, and another image that contains a text description. So by doing that, we're going to realize the significance and the amount of information that we will be providing to our users. Okay, so basically we have the screen right there, and I'm going to show you a specific web page. Okay, the voice that you will be hearing is basically the voice of the speech synthesizer of the screen reader. Okay, so okay, that's the voice of the screen reader, the speech synthesizer used by the screen reader, and we're going to try to set our focus on the image in the web page, and let's try to listen to what the screen reader will provide us, to the information that it will provide us. Okay, so I'm going to move to the top of the web page.
Heading.
Okay, I'm going to press the arrow keys so that I'm going to be able to set my focus on the graphic or the image.
Blank.
So so that's a blank line.
Graphic IMG 001411.
Okay, did you just hear that? The screen reader said graphic IMG 00 and a set of numbers. So okay, so what just happened is that the screen reader was able to tell me that on the web page there's a particular graphic. Here, let's try to hear it again.
Graphic IMG 001411.
So it said graphic IMG 0014 and then something. Okay, so there you go. The screen reader was able to provide us the information that there is a graphic or an image on the web page. However, if you don't see the image and you'll only be hearing graphic and then IMG 000, that won't be really useful to you. As what I've said, if you don't see the screen and the screen reader would only say this is probably the file name of the picture, it won't really be that helpful. Okay, so that is our example of an image that doesn't have text description. Basically, the screen reader would identify that it is a graphic, but it won't be able to provide any other useful information apart from saying the file name, which is really not that useful. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to show you an example of a specific image in a web page that contains text descriptions.
Enter.
Okay, So this, on the screen, you see the homepage of the EvenGrounds website, www.evengrounds.com. And on the screen, you can see a specific image. Okay, I'm going to use the screen reader to help me try to understand what the content of the image is. So I'm going to use the arrow keys to help me.
Heading level 2, who can benefit from accessibility.
Okay, so there's a heading there that says who can benefit from accessibility, and I'm going to try to set my focus on the image.
Graphic interracial business team working on the laptop.
Great, let's try to hear it again.
Graphic interracial business team working on the laptop.
Interracial business team working on a laptop. This is an example of an image with a text description. Okay, instead of just reading the file name of the graphic or the image, my screen reader was able to tell me the text description because the developers of this website took the time to include text descriptions on this particular image. So I believe that this is much better than the previous example, if you would agree, because even if I'm not able to see the image, I can use assistive technology. I can use the screen reader to enable me to, number one, determine that there's a graphic in the website, and number two, determine the content through the text description provided in the image. Okay, so basically that concludes our demonstration of images with text descriptions and images that have no text descriptions. And if you have any questions about this demonstration or about the topic of text descriptions, please feel free to leave a comment or a question in the comment section below. And of course, I also invite you to check out our site, www.evengrounds.com. Thank you, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next post.